Check, check, guys. Can you hear me properly, loud and clear? Please give me a minute. Let's see how it works. Okay. Can you can you see the chat on the screen, guys? I just want to do something. Okay, it's not very clear, so um, just give me 1 2 minute. Uh, but it's not clear, I think so. Let me check. Good evening, good evening. Welcome to the stream. Okay, I think this is good for now. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, I have a very small position on Euro USD. This one. So let's see how it works. Today is FOMC as well. This I took this entry on 1 hour time frame. So I will show you exactly. My stop loss is 116,777. 116,777. 116. Yeah, this is the stop loss. And my TP. For now, my TP is over here. This is higher time frame trade on Euro USD. And again, I'm watching gold as well, but for gold, yesterday I missed some trade. I want to see, this is 4 hour fair value gap. Got this box is 4 hour fair value gap. So if it wants to push up or goes up for gold, I want to see to close 4 hour, at least 4 hour candle above this gap. So it was closing here, but it doesn't give me time to enter on this trade because it was happening on Asian session. So I missed this rally as well. For now, I'm expecting some kind of retracement, and then it can go like this. So I'm watching this one. Let's see how it works. This is daily fair value gap. Mm, Today is FOMC, and so today is very important day for all of us as a trader or as an investor, because I hope Fed will announce a rate cut today, and rate cut point will be around 0.25 bips. It's called BPS. So let's see, it's around 99% chances. So if they cut the interest rate, I can see some sort of manipulation for today and tomorrow, and the rest, like this coming 2 to 3 months, will be in bullish for assets like gold, silver, stocks. What the fuck? It's a huge gap over here. It's only running upside. After today's FOMC, I just want to see some retracement downside as a manipulation. So right now, it's in stock market is in all-time high, and this week on Monday it was opening gap up, a huge gap over here. This is a very huge gap. So if they cut rate today as well, majority of the people think it will go upside only. So that is the area I just want to see some manipulation downside. Nice, brother. Nice catch, brother Rakesh. Common brother goals se retracement lagaya bra. Retracement se it's for now it's around 50-50 chances kaigino haragadi already it give this kind of retracement downside. It's almost more than 10%. I hope so. Let's see. Yeah, around 11.3%. So for now, it can go up and break another all-time high. But let's see. For that scenario, I just want to see this gap and this fair value gap to be filled and close upside with at least 4 hour and daily time frame candle. But for now, I don't want to hold that much. I will be doing some scalping on gold and Nasdaq as well. But for higher time frame, uh, I'm entering a sell on Euro USD. This is the current position for me. It's a very small position on my $50,000 funded account. This trade I risk only 0.2%. Where? Okay. Na 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 na. Yellow. Okay, I will read all the comments. Let me do something really quick. Bro, USD yang say yes, sure, sure. Price action fazagator bro FOMC layer so I hope so because and it will be very manipulation type of price action, but please be careful. If you are really beginner trader, it's the best way will be just skip this kind of this, bro. Otherwise, you will lose a lot of money. Bro, red cut taurise kumga duira ka duira. Red cut se kumba ka ba tokro ko, but you have to understand about red cut. If uh, if the Fed is cutting rates, it actually means that the liquidity is coming to the market. So if liquidity is coming to the market, then all the asset price like gold, silver, all stock market, crypto market will be boost for this bullish momentum. So that's the main part. So in September, we have our first rate cut after long time, and this time, 99% chances we will having a rate cut for 0.25 basis. So it's a very strong fundamental news coming in. So I'm very, very bullish on gold, like commodities, stocks, and crypto for long term. Long term means this coming 3 to 4 months. And we have some good news about Donald Trump and President of China. They are meeting, I think, within 1 or 2 days, and the outcome will be very good for them. So that is also a very good news for the market uh, to push in bullish momentum. Let's see, because I can see some downside over here, but I don't know how. I just want to see this Euro USD push downside before GU taken out this loss. and there will be a scenario like GU taken out this loss and Euro USD is still hanging out somewhere here, then I will close my trade. Okay, so that will be the scenario for today for this trade. Oh, fuck. I need a very huge retracement, bro, for this one. Literally, it's going up. I will be live, if possible. I will be coming live in today's FOMC. It's, I think, from now uh, around 5 to 6 hours left for FOMC news. For Nasdaq, S&P 500, I don't want to trade in AM session today. That is New York time before 12. So the FOMC will be in 2 p.m. New York time. So I'm only if I took any trade on Nasdaq or S&P 500, I will be only taking after FOMC news coming out. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Plus, lots of manipulation will be happening. Same with gold as well. If I'm just waiting for some retracement, but let's see. Currently in 1 hour time frame, I can see some kind of market structure from this high. Brother, that 789 guy with the ware, yes. Kana ba phangamdai gini ko. So everything valuable is kind of very hard to uh, achieve or hard to get. So it will be very valuable session that 3 days. Okay, anyone taking position on the chat? Come on, anyone taking some position or looking something USD cat? You want? Okay, bro, I will look for you. USD cat. It's very interesting. Oh boy. For USD cat, this is very likely area to come down to this level. For USD cat, this will be my point of interest 1.38973 level. Okay, so it can do like this. It reaches this level and it can do like this again, but for now, reaching this level will be very likely for USD cat. I will see somewhere here as well. On bar chart, I'm just looking for future price. So today we have this closing and opening somewhere here. Okay, so ZCJ25. What the fuck? Gold is opening gap down today. What about silver? Same. What about NQ? Again, gap up. Yes. Okay. What about YMZ25? This will be Dow Jones future. Euro sell holding from last week, bro. Nice. I took long position on cat. That is USD cat or Whisper. For USD cat, I can see to fill this gap almost to come down to this level. And for USDCHF, interesting. Everything is in divergence right now. Literally everything. USDCHF is moving upside. USD CAD is going downside. Euro USD is hanging over here. Okay, and GBP USD is going downside again. The best way will be this kind of price action. We have to avoid trading in this kind of scenario because it will be very difficult. Currently, we are in government shutdown. Okay, let's check some news on Twitter, on X. Bitwise clients buy 69.5 million worth of Solana. Okay, here's a very great news over here. President Trump says he will have something very satisfactory with Chinese President Xi Jinping. This is very good news, like very bullish news for crypto, for stocks, and for commodities as well. Grayscale has launched the Grayscale Solana Trust all giving investor exposure. Very nice, nice one. And guys, in past few days for crypto, everyone is in crypto. Solana ETF is coming. Okay, so keep your focus on Solana. Tomorrow is the most important FOMC of our lives until the next one. That's for sure. Tomorrow means today. Today FOMC. Fed will cut rates today 2 p.m. Eastern Time. If they end quantitative tightening, QT means quantitative tightening, market will explode. I hope they will cut rate for 0.25 BPS and they will slow down quantitative tightening. But if they end quantitative tightening in coming months, it will be starting quantitative easing, meaning market will be very, very bullish. Like for crypto and for stocks, market will be super bullish if they ending quantitative tightening, and if they started quantitative easing. It's a very huge fundamental news. Divergence pair. For divergence pair, you have to understand the correlation with US dollar first. First of all, you have to understand the correlation of US dollar. Okay, so first of all, let's say we have USD, US dollar. US dollar index will be represented by DXY. US dollar index will be presented by DXY. Okay, so this is the dollar index chart. So let's say, for example, in Forex, there will be pairs like currency pairs, for example, Euro USD or let's say GBP USD, or let's say USD CAD, USD CHF. Okay, these are the some pairs. So whenever this dollar index goes up, whenever dollar index is going up, I mean in bullish, the correlation will be all the pairs for Forex that is ending by US dollar, like say Euro USD or GBP USD, they will be in bearish opposite correlation. Okay, and whenever dollar is in bullish, pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF, that pair started with US dollar will be bullish as well. So that is the correlation. So Euro USD and GBP USD will be moving very similarly, Like if Euro USD makes another higher high, GBP USD also makes another higher high. If doesn't do that, then it's called divergence. And for example, Euro USD, if DXY is forming another higher high, it means Euro USD must form another lower low according to correlation. But it doesn't form like that, then it will be called a divergence. Understand? I'll give you a simple example. If dollar index DXY is forming a lower low and lower highs, okay, this pair that is ended by US dollar, any kind of pair that is ended with US dollar must form higher highs and higher lows. Opposite correlation. Okay, and there will be a scenario like, for example, let's say in DXY it is forming another lower low, but in Euro USD it doesn't form another higher high. It is forming another lower low, but here it has to form another higher high, but it doesn't form another higher high. So this is called a divergence. Okay. Let me see. DXY is moving down again. I just want to see the candle forming. This is 4 hour, 3 hour in 44 minutes. 1 hour candle closing is not good. What about 2 hour? I'll explain about gold. So this box is weekly time frame fair value gap. It from this week, that is yesterday and day before yesterday, it was completely fill this gap. See over here, completely fill this gap. So it can respect this fair value gap and it can continue upside. Okay, there is one scenario. Or it can go for some downward to this fair value gap as well, somewhere this level. That will be around from all-time high, from this all-time high will be around 13 to 14% kind of retracement. So that is very healthy price. This is not a market crash. Okay, see over here, market doesn't move always up or always down. Okay, if it wants to goes up, okay, it goes up for a long time, like let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 weeks up candle, green candle, and then it got some retracement. That is very simple, like this is normal. So don't be panic, guys, don't be panic, this is totally normal. What bro we should bro we do during the divergence time, how to help in my setup? Okay, nice question. What will do during divergence? So first of all, if you see any kind of divergence in the market, the idea will be in those two pairs, like if you are seeing divergence in Euro USD or GBP USD or anywhere, if you see these two asset having divergence, so keep in your mind that either these two pairs or these two asset will have some explosive moves in coming future. Okay, if you are seeing this kind of divergence in higher time frame, the time frame for that explosive move will be more bigger. Okay, if you are seeing in 5 minutes, it can happen within 1 hour or 2 hours. If you are seeing in daily time frame, it can happen within 2 3 days or some weeks. So keep in your mind, if you see any kind of divergence, just keep in your mind it may have some explosive moves. It may be upside or downside. It may be upside or downside. It will define by the price action of that particular asset, the current price action, their market structure, market phase, and what kind of liquidity they are coming for. It will define upside or downside. But simply know that if you see any kind of divergence, those two assets will be some kind of gaining momentum to each other. Okay, same with gold and silver. Gold and silver, they are very, very correlated. If gold goes up, silver will follow. If silver goes down, gold will follow as well. Same like Euro USD and GBP USD. So you can analyze with those kind of knowledge. You can see divergence, or you can see, you can take some confirmation from another asset. If you are, let's say, if you are trading on gold, before you enter your position, you can take your uh, confirmation from silver as well, because they are moving together. Not it's not with like let's say it's not very closely related, but it's very similar. Okay, so you can take some confirmation from this kind of price action, any correlation asset. For example, Nasdaq and S&P 500 and US 30, they will move together. Lan lanjadaba kaysam ki lanjadaba kisan naurem, like amamamtang namse live yengbiriba isilinaw singbro hiramani bu encourage tawbo oina. Yes, thank you brother for your kind words. Okay, so guys, let's talk. I'm waiting for some setup so we can talk some. mm we can talk something about knowledge, about psychology, about mindset. I'm still holding this trade. Okay, I didn't took any parcels. I didn't break even my stop loss. I'm still holding this trade. My stop loss is here. My target is here. I'm risking a very small percentage. So let's see. I'm risking 0.2% on this trade. Okay. So when you start trading, you will feel like uh, making money, making few lakhs per month or few thousands of dollars per month. That will be your goals. So same with me when I started in my this journey in 2019. My mind is somewhere else. Like I have to make some few lakhs from trading, and I will be very rich in just 5 to 6 months. So everyone have the same kind of approach to the market when they started trading. Brother how's 15 minute silver dana breaker structure chalaga gold dana chatpang namdri say diversion oitoiro. Yes, brother, that is called divergence. Okay. So do you have any challenges about psychology and mindset? And before that, trading tꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ mindset darkar oi, psychology darkar oi, discipline darkar oi, darkar oi yamna discipline maintain tꯧꯕ darkar oi haibadi tarammanibako. Adu hainabadi taramani from the internet, from YouTube, from me, from somewhere else. But my question is, do you actually understand what is psychology and mindset? And how can you apply those uh, psychology and mindset towards your trading? Do you actually understand? Please let me know. If you don't understand, then I will share here for free. That's why I'm doing live. Aina live tawrisi mayamda kitang kanaba pinabani ko. I want to share all my experience, my thoughts. I want to help you all because nobody doesn't really understand about the power of this market. It may be stock market, crypto market, or forex market, it doesn't matter. Overall, this financial market, we have to understand money. Paisa di ang painingge ba? Even me. Paisa painingge, paisa taningde haibidu di haijan na ingatani ko. If somebody said they don't want money, first of all, he is lying. He is a liar. I don't believe. Everyone wants money. Everyone wants to be successful in life. That's for sure. So we have to understand, let's say, if we want to be rich or if we want to be wealthy, first of all, we have to study the money first. We have to understand what is money, that fiat currency, rupees, dollar, yuan, this fiat currency. So without understanding money, we can't be very big. Okay, so we have to understand money. We have to understand about money. We have to be very good money manager. We have to understand about banks. We have to understand about interest rate. We have to understand about inflation. We have to understand about uh, how this money works and how they are printed each and every year. Thailand 2010 the 2010 the ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯇꯔꯥꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯇꯔꯥꯗꯨꯒ ꯚꯦꯜꯌꯨꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯒꯅꯦꯕ. There will be lots of difference in value because the value of money is going down each and every day, each and every year. Should we trade Forex in New York pre-market or at New York 9:30 time zone? Brother, it doesn't matter. It depends on trader to trader. So I can't say you that you have to trade after 9:30 or before 9:30 New York time because it depends to trader. Okay, so it depends on your trading style, it depends on your mindset, it depends on your view of the market. The only thing I can share is that how can you overcome in your journey any obstacles. There will be thousands of reasons you can give up trading. Each and every day something happening. You will have some challenges with money. You can have some challenges with family. Nobody believes in you. Even you yourself have doubts sometimes that you can become profitable or not. ꯆꯨꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ? ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯅ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯏꯇꯣꯝꯗ ꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯦꯕ. ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯤꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ? So I have been through those level. I'm starting literally, guys. You can share this live, you can clip, you can screenshot or screen record this live, and you can share wherever you want. I will share you the reality of trading. Okay, trading say it's not easy. Trading is not easy. Yes, you can be lucky in your initial states. Nang horpakanda lucky oibe you can make some money. But there will be one day you lose that money in one day. Kaigino haragadi you don't have enough experience. You can't control your emotions properly. You can't take decision in that time when you are very emotional. So everything depends on making decision as a trader. Trading haibase, you have to make a very good decision. Buy changage, sell changage, ay ngasi di changaroige, ay ngasigidi si khara mangbase isana accept tawraga ay lepage, ay amuka changige, risk si tawba nungaite si oina tawge. Everything is about making a decision, a right decision. So if you want to make a very good and right decision, you need some experience first. Otherwise it will be very difficult. Yes, you will make decision, but that decision will ruin your life, will ruin your trading journey, because it will be a very bad decision for you. In this coming years, yuan will replace USD. How is your opinion? Okay, so I don't have any idea about yuan will replace USD, but if it happens, will not be in few years. It will take some time. Okay, first of all, that is the first point. And second point is that everyone wants power. Every country wants power, like US dollar, like China, like USA. Even India wants it. But ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ country ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ prime minister ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯤ, president ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ, ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ rule ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ countryꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯆꯠꯅꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ countryꯗꯨꯒꯤ currencyꯗꯣ powerful ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ or ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯔꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ. But ꯉꯝꯅꯗꯕꯒꯤ from a very very long time US na adum sigi power se lauraga ko every trade tawba matamda worldwide ta thau leibada export import tawba matamda everywhere is trading with US dollar because US dollar is very strong. Gyan tabra aduna adugi US dollar na adum akhoi manipulate tawraga leiba moina adum kallaga leibado or moina adum powerful oiraga leibado yaningdaba tholeba. Countries like Russia, China, India, Brazil, Argentina, and many more. Kaigino haragadi adum US na any military gi wagera ama gi wagera thau gi export import tawgera hana tawrmise everything in US dollar. But now from past few years US dollar the trade tawbagi percentage se yam handare ko. So adudaneba BRICS kind of thoglaise. BRICS tarba. BRICS kind of koigi country manga na semba thoglaise. China ne, India ne, Russia ne, Brazil ne, and amado kaure. South Africa ra kenom oibani. Africa ra kaure adumai oibani. So adugi haujiksu taunari se sigi monetary system sigi war ne crypto kind of tholai ko cryptography blockchain tholai myam se kaigino bitcoin je han scam ne hairami ne president Donald Trump masamak na JP Morgan na adagi atopa banks mayam na 2014 to 16 swai da bitcoin se ponzi scheme ni scam ne na hairami ne adu hairam badagi onthoga Bitcoin ki ETF launch tawsale adagi Ethereum ki ETF launch tawsale ek mayamam puthokre stable coin gi yanaba honare. So it was shifting in front of us. The monetary system is shifting in front of us. So it's a very huge opportunity as a trader if we understand the market. Aduna China na pamisina gold na back tawba currency pamba. USA na pamisina dollar se magi value se sum handarakpanina dollar value is going down around 96-97% ma going down oirabane dollar ki value se from 1913-1914 swaidagi haura kanda. From 1914, for example, if you have $100 in 1914, now it's very equivalent that you are having only $3 or $4 because buying power do $100 adum oijaragasu aduneba inflation high se yan tai ko paisa print adum tawbagi kanadab aduna as a trader if you are trading in stock market, if you are trading in forex, if you are trading in crypto, you have to understand this all financial institution about finance, about economy, how this money works, what is CPI data, what is FOMC, how it affects to the market ko adagi sigi trade haraga sigi na tabako atopa trade tawriba mayam export import tawriba sigi moigi kari currency use tawri kamaina tawri anauba kari lai oil export tawbagi kanaba kaino everything ko aduna hanadi trading haraga buy sell changba sida we have to buy here, we have to sell here, target na sida, stop loss na sida adu khakne ba mayam na khangi se. But if you really come into trading for more than 5 to 10 years, you will come to know. Adu khakna yaraktebako. As an investor oiragasu, you have to understand this financial story behind the history of finance. Aduga hauzik presently kai chatnari tungda kai chatnarakpa yana leige adudane crypto gi phajaraise. Cryptography gi phajarayiba, blockchain gi phajarayiba. Now everything will come to the chain. Nangna let's say you are owning a real estate building ama on tawre hire seba. Thaina di kamain tawromi hauzik kamain tawi. Nangi mingda smart card sarakpa yai hauziki oina haragati or nangi pata hingol pata ga tawidana ko adugi matang da che chang inaraga court ta kai da adugi aina document oina paidoine if you are owning a real estate. But sigi se hauzik olak pai matungina through blockchain gi through the akoina on chain da pushalakanda sigi ownership se akoina on chain da on thokpa yai haibadi blockchain da once for taragadi huran ba yaroi hacking tawba yaroi mangba haiba ma leiroi semtokpa yaroi and everything will be transparent. Yan tabra aduna aina pot ama on tawba ka se blockchain gi through daga lakturi ba hauzik lakpasu haurabane ba adune ba RWA harise, that is called real world asset. Aduna kama haini mayamnadi trading se hoi katukaran tawbudi mayam leiko. There are lots of mentor, lots of gurus showing off this and that. I don't want to mention their name, but reality da lakpa matamdadi sigi fundamentals mayam khangdaba yaraktebako. Economics ki matangda hauzik world da kari hainari, leader mayamna kari pamige, chatnarakadabase kaino, monetary system da hauzik olai se kaino, kaigino bitcoin se adukki matik chenkhalai se maram laitne heta chelakpa yaba nate. Ko there is something behind story layeba, reason laybam thoe. Goal na sumaina kari se maram laitabi heta karakpa yabra. In 1.5 years back, sahi ama makai gi mamangda, the overall gold reserve market cap is around $19 trillion. I'll repeat again. 1 to 2 years back, the overall worldwide gold reserve market cap is around $19 trillion. Today, right now, is sitting around 27 to 29 trillion market cap for gold. It's increasing around 50%. 10 trillion gold sang pakai je arrive na teba. Ado maram laitena su sanga oeba. There is something behind. Ko sigma mayam si we have to understand. Si sida bullish ki chela ise sina loibu su not tree but I am expecting. I mamang desu I mentioned to my own trade house community session. I like to su hiram bayai. Gold sumaine chenkale magi retracement se karam kande expect taw bayai. Silver na hanagi all time thugaigra matung der sigi 10 to 15% retracement for gold is expected. I hana high grade. Howzik sida thoi sineb. And again, sidagi swai consolidation to VI or swai sidagi reacted again in coming 5 to 6 months. It will make another all-time high for gold. Yes, South Africa. Yes, you're right, brother. Brogi trading style se kai oige aduga kai gi adu khalino. Okay, my trading style is smart money concept. And yes, I understand support resistance. In my initial time, I use some software 2019-20 da I software ga use tor me hojikti tawdre ko aduga I use some indicators ko indicator ka mayam use tawr me adugin su knowledge khara di dum lay. But from 2020 late 2020 dagi from late 2020 my trading style is 100% smart money concept because everything is same. Nang na smart money use tawrasu, ICT use tawrasu, support resistance use tawrasu, or let's say software use tawragasu, indicator use tawrasu, everything will be same at the end of the day. Everything is similar. Maming tongan bay wane ba, but everything is similar. The idea behind is similar for technical analysis. It doesn't matter you are using another or somewhere else. But Canary Sekaino Harakanda, and smart money use the reason behind why I'm using smart money is that I can easily understand the manipulation of the market and I can easily understand why market is going upside or downside. I can understand the reason behind. Kaigino market na sumain chela kaduise, kaigino sigi low, sigi high la kaduise, adugi reason yaw na kangagpado. That's why with timing. Ko market important or is not only price matam su important oy price phanyam phajaraga su matam chana dragadi that is not good trade matam phajana chara kanda price phajara aba that will be good trade aduna price and time. Brother Bumpkin, hi, how are you, bro? Bro, successful traders sing se elite family ki maram da khanglam gadra. Yes, most of them will know. A successful trader hire not small ones, the big ones who are managing funds like hedge fund and all. Obviously they know something before us or before mainstream media. Brokerage की course fee से kayamuk oinage sangchatta bro gi learning history kitang share tawbiramo. Okay, so trade की course है मैं genuinely कnom हाइगे trading की course है कमाइन तवगे हारकांदा there are lots of course mayam am leib ada if you want to be a part of this industry. First of all, if let's say if you are really beginner nang se yam na hora ba first 2 to 3 months first 2 to 3 months the everything is available for free in the internet. Don't forget, first 2 to 3 months the everything is available for free in the internet, in YouTube, in Twitch live, in YouTube live, YouTube videos, Instagram, everywhere you can find, and you can some read books as well. If you are really beginner, your first 2 to 3 months sigumba free content mayam se absorb to batamo thijan batamo lot size se kaino forex ka stock ka khetna ba se kaino this simple sigumba mayam se ahan bada hana yeng batamo completely you can available for free on the internet. Okay, and there will be some states nang khara khanga ane khara khanga kanda demo da pai ba khot pa khara horani and I will recommend 100% if you are beginner always trade in demo for at least 5 to 6 months. Okay, if you are completely beginner my advice will be always start from demo for at least 5 to 6 months. Paisa de heta hapsalaga hawgano ba that is very wrong step. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕꯩꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯇꯦꯕ I started from Indian account sorry Indian stock market and I lose money in my first week. I lose 50-60,000 rupees kem khangdana hapsalle trade changjalle ama ni tongamme and I lose all. So first 5 to 6 months always and always start from demo account. Okay, compulsory. Aduga there will be some level. Mayamna demo account chango haraga demo ni na emotion yaude. Demo de changaga di chumme. Aseng de changaga di lale. Demo de di pangchum de chumme hai. Aduna ai demo pining de aseng boy na pai gen. Adugi demo pining ak trido. That is the emotion. Adu emotion ne. Pai de yaroi. Nang training tau de na kamaina lan yau duino. Yau gi bayai. It will be very difficult for you. Okay. So nangi strategy semkatpa nangi strategy the chumra lanbra yengnaba ahanbagi 5 to 6 months ti always trade with demo with proper journaling. Demo the trade change na pangchang da changchan badu nataba. Proper risk management, proper journaling. Phajana aseng ba trade chang badu maina demo da phajana try to. Audagi nang khara haire khara mang ba yauni profitable oi ba yauni mang rupe account ching khalakpagi kaino adugi experience ko adagi profit leram badagi mangak pa adugi experience adugi emotion mix emotion you will come to understand goal gi matang da okay I will talk about goal today please stick with me so aduna adumaya haura akanda nang khara khangpagi stage se ko khara khangpagi stage sida I will recommend please find a very good mentor. This is my recommendation. Please find a very good aisu mentor dagi tamaine. Ko aigi mentor mayamam lay basida faltu oiba mayamam yaugi khangdabani na matamduda. And fazana aibu takpi tambirakpa fazana chingkhat pirakpa mentor mayamam lay. Aduna first of all adugi stage we yauragati find a very good mentor, a right mentor for you. Right mentor se kamaina khangani nangna pami do nangi mentor do na already phangaba mi mo oitare. That is the first point. Second point da hauzik nangna lairi do nangna lairi be stage to nangi mentor do na already adugi stage to thengnagraba adu experience tawraga chatkraba mi ama oitare. Sigi point ani se yauragadi that guy will be your right mentor. And there will be some scenario adugumba mi se haidi mentor oiba yaba adugi point yaubase amadagi hena lairaba masu adugi point yawe masu adugi point yawe haidana lairaba adoi taragadi third suba point ama laeba ko aduna kaino haragadi listen to yourself nangi manungdagi tholakpa nangna yamna khoida jaba maadi man haibase yamna kai haini taba nungai or thamoi sengba mali or aiga chana dau mali na tholakpa thamoi dagi tholakpa mi ma leini ba ko adu choose taw adu choose tawrani and go with your mentor aduga once nangna mentor phangraba once mentor phangi taragadi mentor do na haiba khudimak taw tare khong thangkala larik pau pa tare example ni ko si taw tare sumain taw biu taw tare adu natragadi yar kai mentor dakar or ise kai gino yes you can go by yourself but nangna chatlagadi chahi tara changi ba yaeba learn taw na bo khona bada but mentor na tarokudui se kaino magi experience to share tarokudui ne so chahi tara changa da budo chahi ahum de tension gi bayai ani de tension gi bayai adugi matam duni dana important ori se so that's why we need mentor even me I have lots of mentor for trading gi sulai psychology gi sulai mindset gi sulai different mentor aduna it's very important so aduga course se aina tamak pakanda ai Indian market tawringai da Manipur gi mentor da su tawrame audagi once aduna ai gi first and last mentor ne from India from Manipur after that I changed to crypto and forex adudagi di I joined some community some courses from UK dagi tamme Sri Lanka dagi tamme US dagi tamme Canada dagi tamme adumaina mix up tawraga tamme technical loina mainly ko aduga fee am chawe moigidi ko tha amada 20,000 thiraga tamme tha tare nipan adagi even $1,000 thigi basu yawe for 1 month ki 1 month ki oina $1,000 ko adumaina it's very expensive for financial market ko adumaina makhan me amam kaino tawre aduga tamdaba yarakta ko fazana changi ai ngaktangi time pass ki oina lakpa natabnina I am full in I don't have any plan B I want the plan B laite brother Delhi bias yengbada problem laire example ga loina namta takpiro Delhi bias yengbada problem lairi se kai matangdano bro hozik Indian market to trade ai kuire trade tawdaba Indian market good evening brother Chinglen brother Hiramani India gi tax system and bank ki income tax system gi escape tawnaba share tawbirao khara yam laidro dudya go to somewhere else change your location change your location bro lawbane tangbane mi aina haise tangbane yadabne adubu mayam ai mayam gi mangda I will guarantee something ko mayam gi mamangda public oina live se public ni dana live loirga so dum video se le hawdoi ni dana ko I will say you something aigi ai hojik sahi taret pharakadore aina sigi sida keno tarakuse ko aduga hantak ki coming March yes 2026 ki coming March sida ai sahi taret complete fadoi neba aina sigi sida horakibase so adudagi ai do thabak su tarambanina I travel a lot ko ai country tara tranga hena travel tawrure adudasu thengnarakpa aigi experience ki matung ina and ai mayam ama I learn a lot ko mi gi thijan ba khot pe yam kalle ba ko aisu aduna from India dagi oiro from outside India internationally oiro akhoi gi trade house community na leidana ko sigi trade house community da piriba education system plus its education style se siga compare tawba yaba yam tangna lay India dadi laybu layte haiba yai ko but worldwide ta aina khangbada ani ahum gumba lay akhoi ga compare tawba yaba haibadi education gi mawong mana ba hai tar trading katang takpa nataba psychology gi life gi everything understand tawhanba but moido they are charging sahi amada ne sahi amada parake ko to sahi amada $5,000 $6,000 kumba lawe sahi amagi aduga akoina piri sina akoigi trade house se Manipur language ta takchai haibagi mayamna lumna laudabra or kamain tawbuno di khangdre but akoigi di lifetime ne ba koina pithui se just for $400 $500 ta lifetime gi ado khangdaba mayamna di yam tange or kai haini kainoma da pubusu yaweba but kona tawra kanda khangkane value do kai khetnai atopaga kamai khetnai sidana kai ta I kamai tawi guidance kamai na lay you will come to understand I am proudly Harrison in front of all of you with full transparent kaigino harakanda we don't teach only trading Mahesh ibani na ne trading khatang natte bataise trading the if you want to become successful in trading first of all you have to change yourself nangi ꯅꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕ shift paradigm shift ꯀꯧꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯡꯀꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ ꯊꯤꯡꯀꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯨ ꯍꯦꯞ ꯇꯨ shift yourself ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯩ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ it really affects to your personal life is directly proportional to your trading life ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ understand ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯣ but if you are trading for 1 year 2 year you can understand what I'm saying technical ꯈꯇꯪꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯦ technical ꯈꯪꯉꯅꯤ smart moneyꯒꯤ liquidity ꯂꯩꯔꯦ fair value gap ꯂꯩꯔꯦ sida chango sida tawro it doesn't make money it doesn't make any profitable trader technical khangduna technical dudi I can teach to some random guy angang macha class 7 8 ka ba angang amada ina ta su haigineba tha ahum mari takpa kanda but profitable oiba ngamgadra aduneba question se haidi ya technical na yadaba leibako technical important oide haiba nate but 70 to 80% di discipline your mindset nangna wakhan kamaina khalli nangi decision making adudagi lakani nangi experience about the market ko adagi let's say books pabagi kanaba kaino and books se kamaina pagani nangi 24-hour kamaina design tawgadoino ma'am we have 44 people online watching this live right now I just want to ask you simple question please answer this question to the chat do you have do you have any dreams and goals that will be my first question do you have any dreams and goals and after that I will explain about goal this goal whole market I will explain about goal please answer to me do you have any dreams or goals in your life trading gi oidrasu yai in your life apamba aningba pamjaba si tawge khanba leibraba yes thank you so much brother Ashish brother Nauren brother Paikomba brother Dinachandra brother Rakesh thank you so much and brother Motivation brother Naucha Kuman brother Premjit brother Manisana thank you for your response brother Thoiba Len Thoiba Wang Len Thoiba I have sorry brother Chinglen so if you have any dreams and goals I am Harakip please listen very carefully see trading related oi basu yai oi de basu yai this is for our life akwai life ki waina I will explain you one yam simple oiba today is 2025 October 29 Wednesday 29 October 2025 se akhoi ki life ta amuk hanna halakhidraba 2025 की October की date 29 से अखोई की life ता अमुक हना लाकद्रा अमतंग येंगुने this 24 hour लाओय को अखोइना फनयाम पैसा पाइरसु फनयाम होनरसु लाओय limited time ने aduna sigi yamna limited oiba time sida as a human being akoina leirisisu yam limited oiba time ne habidi karam kan akoi all of us will die someday 100% guarantee all of us will die someday that is 100% guarantee aduna sigi in this very short period of time adusu yamna limited oiba sigi matam sida akoi gi dreams lay goals lay mayam am lay ne ba adu laitragadi nang hingbagi kana deb dreams and goals laite hairagadi hingbagi kai kana gen kem kana de ko aduna laibam thoe so laibanina ai gi su lai mi gi su loi leiramgani ba laibase adugi nangna pamjariba nangi dreams and goals to car leibo oramba yai yum sabagi oramba yai nangi family da apamba pibagi oramba yai ko relationship ki oramba yai it could be anything but ngasigi yamna limited oiba 24 hours sida nangi dreams and goals to phangnaba hotnabagi kari step tahorage kari action lahorage this question have to be asked each and every day ngasigi nang kaida horage kari learn tahorage nangi dreams nangi goals to phangnaba step kari lahorage aduneba questions in this limited 24 hour it will never come back adoi taragadi ai nong lakningise अखोई dreams and goals तो फंगे हारगदी ngasi housing present ki 24 hours sida aina everything I'm doing it counts whatever you are doing in this 24 hour it will count loina count tawganeba nang ngatang like paramena adugi kanaba dum phangni padre dana adugi phangmam thokpa dum phangni nangna matam mangalure adugi phangmam thokpa dum phangni nangna phajana minute amatang orsu phajana use tawre adugi phangmam thokpa result adum phangne gyan tabra whatever you are doing in this 24 hour it will count adudani lakadoise ko it may be trading or another adugi di sigi sita laite trading oiba yai oidaba yai trading is a vehicle makhala mane akoina pami do yoba yaba vehicle makhala mane atopa vehicle su mayam am lay but aigi oina di trading do choose tawgi wani aina hangningi sina life ki oina adudaneba larise ko aduna ngasi se nangi dreams and goals ta phangbada mateng pangba yaba kari action lahorage kari steps paikat hoge ba ngasi gi oina ngasi gi 24 hour mayam sina neba after some time akoi gi dream goal phangalaka doisidi adoi taragadi ngasi gi 24 hour each and every day se kwai dagi important oibidu minne so please don't waste time matam manghan gano ko even second ama ani bokte yam likna siznawo do something trading taw haiba nate ko tawdrasu yai there are lots of ways do something become someone so in coming 5 years or 10 years akoi loina ma kananom di loin oirane ba oidoi do kaino do dugi question du ne ko IPS officer oigi bi yai trader aphawba mo oirak pa yai ko adagi successful businessman amo oirak pa yai but what will you become you will become someone in coming 5 to 10 years, but what will it be? ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ we have lots of system around our society in India as well. System mayamnasu ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯈꯟ ꯆꯥꯎꯍꯟꯕꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯖꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ system mayamsꯤꯅꯤ mayamna matrix haina khangnarise. Everything everywhere is matrix. The system ko sigi sida akoina hojik hingiba system that is called matrix. And one of the most important will be mioiba mana khwaidagi important oibase, that is how to manage people and how to understand money. Ani sini ko phanayam doctor oigera, trader oigera, investor oigera, police oigera, army oigera, oiningba oisanoba akoina tawduise mi loinabaga paisa loinabaganeb. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯧꯅꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯇꯦ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯇꯦ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ 99.9% nobody understand about money. Bro, $5,000 account na kayam chauna payout tawba yani khalle one time da adum whatever adudadi for funding pips especially there is no limit ko ado yam chauna lawruno bro. My suggestion will be don't target for a big payout ko consistent oina khar lathokpado adudo oina focus taw achauba payout focus tawruno ko hoi nang ngamagadi taw kesu kaide, but my advice will be don't go for big payout, just go for consistent payout. Nang khar lathokpado adu consistent oina ngamnaba hono haibadi aina soigibagini ko aina harise aisu mamangda mayam adumaina 50,000 gida 10,000 gida 100K gida sum yaramebako haibadi I will tell you one thing. Trader amana emotion je kai dei lae harakanda trade changani profit oire changi gei sum sume emotion tholakane. Trade change lale su emotion thokani chum su emotion thokane sum lanjala ba nang kira ani nang thawai nungaira aroi revenge trade tawninga ani mangi budu phuganinga ani sum jhala ba nang confidence wangkhala ani ego wangkhala ani nang risk sauna lawninga ani changi gai chumdo mala ani adudane ba soirakaduis aduna adugi stage haujiki ani dugi manungda ama bu thoaba just take a break lawtho. Let's see. Okay. 9:30 opening is done. 9:30 opening is done. So today is FOMC. That's why. Ma'am, I just want to ask you something. FOMC se horen pung haujik si New York time gi pung tara tare ko haujik ko New York time da pung tara tare. But horen New York time gi pung ani daneba. That is Tramathoi Baro. Pung mari mo watli ko. Pung mari mo wat pase live sing hak lega loisalaga muk tha sira adubok FOMC ngai boina continue taw sira adu maharo Bro, 5 time payout towering asi. Okay, very nice. Congratulations, brother Bumpkin. I really appreciate you, bro. And mayam, viewer mayam, this brother Bumpkin, uh, he really works very, very hard. Ko yam genuine oina phajana work tawjabani. Ko please support him as well to his YouTube channel. Ko I really appreciate you, brother. Aduga, uh, each and everyone, those who are trader, I loin appreciate the way kaygino haragadi. I know your journey. Noina kay thengnarakhi kamaina tawi have doi khange. It's not easy ko. Aduga really congratulations for your 5 time payout from funding pips. Okay. So adu oiragadi adum tam tamna adugi kainodo. ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯃꯦꯟꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯣ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠ ꯐꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯨꯔꯅꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯎꯖꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯪꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯣ ꯐꯣꯂꯣ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ FOMC ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ 14 hours ko this is 24-hour format 14 hours the and 14:30 the FOMC gi sida statement ani leire ko aduga aina FOMC gi, I just want to tell you something about FOMC for FOMC there will be always 30-minute gap cause the 14 in 14 hours New York time and 14:30 New York time sida press conference ka siga leidana aduna as of my experience as of my experience this first 14 hours ki news hai this could be a manipulation and from 14:30 the real market will start moving please understand the first FOMC 14 hour statement this could be manipulation it may be upside or downside and after 14:30 news this press conference we can see the real moves of the market. So do not all if there is FOMC, always wait for that 30-minute news again. Always wait for that 30 minutes. Thank you, Trade House. Appreciate. EU say, let me see. I just want to hold. Let's see. Okay, I will talk about gold. Kano say. Goal से कमाई तौगे हर कंदो सिदनी को fundamental understand तौबो दरकार तारिसे हौजिक तौरिबो war से it's kind of a war mayamdana in front of us they are showing tariff war on one baneva but it's not happening tariff war do not teba tawri miyam se behind the scene the we are going through a monetary war a new monetary system changing of monetary system financial system se change tawgi war ne ba koin hojik thengnisi aduna US na side ama China na side ama US na US has around $37 trillion of debt of US ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯔꯤꯖꯔꯚ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯇꯣꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯠꯀꯣꯏꯟ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯔꯥꯎꯟ 2 lakhs ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯒꯕꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯖꯔꯚꯇ ꯇꯣꯀꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯗꯅ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯜꯒꯤꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯀꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ USꯀꯤ 37 trillion ꯗꯦꯠ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯡꯇꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ it will be backed by stable coin ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯅꯦꯕ stable coinꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ USDT USDC USDE USDS ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤ every bank will start to launch their own stable coin ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯀꯣꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ USꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯇꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯀꯣꯏꯟꯗꯨ USꯀ ꯏꯟꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯂꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯆꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ USꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯋꯔꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯛꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯋꯔꯐꯨꯜ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯅ ꯒꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯦ from last 2-3 years China government is buying a number ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ uncounted number of goals ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ treasury fundꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ USꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯨꯛꯈꯥꯏꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯎꯍꯟꯕꯅ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯐ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯍꯟꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯒꯣꯜꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯕꯤꯠꯀꯣꯏꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯇꯣꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯈꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯥꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯤ interest rate cut ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯀꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔꯗ it will help for the bull market ngasisu interest rate cut tauba yana lay my prediction will be 0.25 bps or maximum 0.50 bps but I hope I will go for 0.25 bps interest cut today and one ngasisu December loidribok manungda September da rate cut ama tawgre December loidringaida ani amaga tawba yana layri it will boost the market for bull run for gold for silver for crypto for stocks adui mathakta M2 money supply is increasing day by day M2 money supply is the world global money supply ni call global gi oina lakba liquidity ni hai tare sigi liquidity mayam se kaide change changbam amdi laini dana real estate ta sana da kai da stock cha loi changa ka doine that's how it builds the market builds the liquidity to push the market upside ken tai ko aduna bull run tho ena heta price pong chen de chen na te there will be reason behind ko goal je hoji aina karak khini hai sig retracement je I already told to my students kai haini after silver na all time high lo thok let's see to the silver gi hanagi all time high se it was forming in 2011 2011 da sigi all time high sini adudagi ma hanta khatani ko mana all time high thugai raise adu thugai dringai mamang da goal gi all time high di multiple times thugai ga lakrabane goal gi all time high si lai multiple times thugai la abane aduna sigi phajana goal gi sigi chengkhalak pai sida I already told to my students that after silver na all time high lo thok tri bauti gold will still move upside once silver na all time high lo thokra matungda we can see some retracement for at least 10 to 15% yengsiko all time high dagi short term gi oina hauzik 11.5 ni 10 to 15% retracement expect tawba yai na haibane it's happening aduga hauzik su this retracement will be short term this is not market crash this will be short term in coming months November December January February March this 5 months I am very bullish in gold in stocks and even in crypto I am very bullish kaigino harakanda hoi marak tu da khanghau da ba situation like corona gi COVID ki laksanba or 9/11 ki type ta thogana makhala ma oigre adu thore so dum kadi karakani ko but natang dugi oina crash tawdi ai adubu for my target for gold short term laiba within 1 or maximum 1.5 years my target for gold is $5,000 per ounce. My target for Bitcoin is in this coming cycle 1 or 2 years. My target for Bitcoin will be minimum 140 to $180,000. Ado ay panghayda hayba natibо ko with technical analysis, with fundamental and oirakpa yaba scenario. Everything monetary system will be changed right now in front of us. Mayamna khangdabay waneba ko ada haidi adu wada tawlay miyam se ko aduna hojik paisa paibina adum paigiba paihꯧdabana sum pairaktaba sigi khenabase hanadaisu leidana we have a lots of gap with wealthy and this poverty level si se sum chauthorakani ba sigi gaps it will this gap will be more bigger paisa paibina adum paigini paihꯧdabana sum paidabase sigi gap se hanasu layaba hojikna amuk hen leirakani mark my word kaigino harakanda it will be this coming 5 to 10 years will be very very difficult for middle class and poverty level. Guys, Tari bro, are you listening? I'm sharing some thoughts, some experience, some knowledge for you guys. Yeah, this kind of first of all, this kind of market you have to avoid this kind of market, okay? It's not normal. I'm looking for buy from Thursday, bro. Sidagine ko na 100 sa ina buy ngari is swidagine. Sidagi su buy tawre. Swidagi miss tarokpaduna hausikpok tawri. Still I don't get any clean entry. So in this FOMC, if it got some manipulation downside, I will be very very happy because I know it will go higher. Bro, banking ki maramda credit card ki maramda khara habiro knowledge hoina. Yes, sure. Other news the trade tawgi matang dedi pura nanne. Yarigai news the trade tawgunuko. Please don't trade on news. Chat se khara chawhallake miyam unabako. Haidi hauzik market changba natribani nako. Thank you, brother. Okay, yes, I give 5K account passed out a profit to 17%. Mukta leire, ado payout ki bank ta laubana yagatra. Take your payout in crypto. Crypto the lotto, adusu decentralized wallet lotto. 17% profit, very nice. Amazing. 20 yahon gena khalu no ko adumaina khan badani je 17 ju yauna pai gi duis. That is enough. Trading lepo payout phangdri bawba aduga fazana lawtho kanda muk taw hauji haigi buto ke ba okay banking gi maramda I'll give you one example. Bank se kamain chalai gi harakanda. Let's say bank ta ina lupa lakh ama thamme ko. Bank ta ina lupa lakh ama deposit tawre. Sigi lakh ama deposit tawri sigi sahi amagi interest bank na pirakadui se maximum 6.5% for 1 year annually. Aduga akoina bank tagi loan lauragana interest oina akoina hundoi se average ta around 9 to 10%. Aduda kena bam leire ko. See the difference. Bank tagi akoina loan lauragana average percentage se it's around 9 to 12% depending on the loan. Akoina moida thamagana they are paying us for interest rate around maximum 6.5% per year. Adugi difference tuma yengo. First point. Second point na let's say aina lupa la ama deposit tawre la ama deposit tawri sidagi 10,000 ama moigi central bank ki kaino na ama leibo ko aduda thamjangrani that is around 10%. 90% amana mingonda loan pi doine 90,000 ama loan pamba mi umda loan pi rane adugi loan loriba mi duna amuk ingasagi interest so lakadoini na yan tabra loan loriduna kaidano ma use tawgadoini ko use tawriba mi duna bank ta mu deposit tawra ani 90,000 do audagi 9,000 thamauraga 81,000 ama muk loan thadora ani adumaina adugi rotation ne so from nowhere else ngasagi lakh amado adudagi bank is making a big money through that rotation through that interest yan tabra aduna for example any kind of bank Indian bank or achau chau bank oigera bank macha oigera or akhoi manipur da haragasu let's say any kind of x kawa bank am leire haise ko sigi x kawa bank sida akhoi mayam manaraga nong matang da pulap ai withdraw ai gi lejeba paisa gi loi withdraw tawjaragen chatlo ba sungya yaroi ba adu tawda loire dum bank yan tabra that is how bank works simple loina journal record say I do journal in simple my books and sometimes I record in Notion as well. Notion gumbada tawusu yawe with screenshot. uh, wallet trust wallet. Yeah. You can do interest wallet. That 5 10 payout log focus si gyan ta adre chang ni chang silur chang hadi chang mu di kesu kai de do 17% do manghallur no adum laiba profit to hana log tho o aduga kona gyan ta na chang mu hai ni da bro natra dine kitang example ai $900 yaure hairase example 1,000 da di suhan ge na chang bada ne ba mang duis please don't do that adugi mistake to ai na mayam am tawgre ba mayang mamangda aduna bro da soihaning da bagi highway one da bro why are the traders comfortable with losing 700 to $1,000 but when we see $1,000 profit, we are quick to close. Yes, that is happening right now. Each and every trader will happen or will see that kind of journey. Kaigino hai taragadi, everyone wants money. First of all, aduna $1,000, 700 to $1,000 though, they are not comfortable to lose that. Adu mangning bagi nateba. They have their own hope in their mind. God, they have their own hope in their mind that si mangagasu karak kini or kumak kini haibagi hope to adu daneba adum hol taw ngamis. Aduna profit la akandadi. You will start panic. That's why. So my advice will be, if you are a trader, if you are a beginner, my advice will be just put your stop loss and target average around 1:2 risk reward. Put your stop loss and target, and stop loss natragana target hit tawdri bawba marakta khut lengano. Don't do anything after you put your stop loss and target. Just let it be, let it run, let it hit either stop loss or target. Meanwhile, don't do anything with that trade. You can close your computer, you can close your laptop, don't do anything. Just put your target and stop loss and let that hit either stop loss or target. Trust wallet se UPI na dum laiba yabra di khangde aigidi laidri, but I don't do that and I will not recommend to do that. Especially if we are from India, so we have to be very careful. If you want to pay tax, you can do it. Let's see, let's see. It's diverging once again. Fuck. I hope it will do nothing until FOMC happens. It will be in consolidation like that until FOMC. Good evening, good evening. ꯍꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ Okay, coin DCX key through the legally USDT withdraw tawba yabro bank ta yabane bro, but you have to pay tax. Tron wallet to TRC haptresu auto cut tawrabo gas fee. Kay haino bro tadre. Gyan tadre. Bro say day trader ro natraga swing lo kamay tawge. I am bot. I do scalping, I do day trading. Sometimes I do swing trading. But most of the time, I do swing trading, like 2 to 4 hour time frame. I'm holding for 2 to 3 days most of the time. But for now, it's around 50-50%. Like because of this market condition, it's 50-50 right now. Whether gold sell yeng ba yagadro yeng say. Goal say I don't want to sell right now. My plan will be after it reaches this level, I want to see the price formation ko. Kumak taraga so price formation hana ngagidi aduga after I saw the price formation, then I will decide for buying or selling. Because it break this market structure ko si BOS to niko market structure safety to obanina. We have to be very careful. So I want to take my confirmation from this level. See the candle closing kamain tawke to adugi dakar tayo. Trader always need EQ balance than IQ. So we are not robot. When if we may be feeling for buying, sometimes showing someone that will happen effect. Yes, very right. Bro, in funded account the rule to trade minimum 5 days. Do we need to trade all trading days? Yes, the 5 days trading minimum days haibadi nang na account do pass tawnaba honabada nang numit mangani di trade changu haiba different days numit mangani thangna na natrasu yai ko you will trade, you must trade 5 different days to pass that account. So for example, if you already reach the 8% or 10% in 2 or 3 days, the rest 2 or 3 days you just trade 0.01 or 0 point something, a very small percentage to count that day. Okay. Howzal lo kayo mo da? Macaroni da. Ha. Hango mo da. Yeah. Mayam, are you guys boring? Should we listen to a song? This fucking Euro USD is going upside. What the fuck? Music tꯧsi ko. Music se strike ti yam charabane aise ko. Strike chabase magi monetization ki waba nattaba. Channel ban tawgradi pharak taidana. Oh. Bit macha ama sum tharake ko. La 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 la.
Run a sit bird.
Up to
EU say previous Friday they hold tarokpane equilibrium hit tawada 50k face on pass tawdoine bro aduga topa account amada first pe outlook tawgadoine adubu easy sina palaga leire bro interesting way market say yes so today our FOMC will decide. Let's see. Tausi haitangba 5k 5k dagi henba piradi yaram natro 5k do piraga blow chatkidoi saruk adudagi henba ko 100k 200 300 unlimited ta oiba yaba piradi yaram natro bro nahan khai di trading gi crypto gi matang de information share adum tawi ngasi di punchiron gi nungai ba wari tausi haisin tausi ngasai dei taromini ko aduna as a life ko akoi haidi kaino taw waneba haija waneba ko kaino ngataneba kay haini miyoiba amoina pogadi we have to die one day. We all will die one day. For sure, 100% guarantee. Aduna, I'll give you some example ko. That is 100% that we will die one day for sure. 100%. And we don't know when. It may be tomorrow or day after tomorrow, after 1 year or 10 years. So just think again. We will die for sure. And we don't know when. Karam kanda no su khangdaba soidana su sidoiba. Sigi situation sida matha sabagi matam leiribraba. Ai si tawni si tawdre or si tawraktre stress leibagi matam leiroi tawnebako. You have to work hard, take action, and take some risks, take calculated risks, take some risks, take action, do whatever you want, do whatever you want. My advice will be do whatever you want, but please don't hurt people. That's it. Do whatever you want, but please don't hurt people. Lower it. One life. Brother, GT3 RS kamay tawdino. GT3 RS is coming. It's coming. As soon as possible, it's coming. In reality, I would guess within 2 years. That is a very good countable. Within 2 years, it's coming. Here it is. It's for my manifestation. It's on my table. It's an everyday. One more. This is Defender. It's on my table. You can see 911. Another one. This it's a steering for GT3 RS. Go. I'm doing a lots of manifestation, building my dreams, looking each and every day. And you can see my background over there. Ubra. You can see my background over there. There is a very huge poster. There is also GT3 RS. Market is not moving right now. I think this FOMC will be wild, bro. Okay, let's listen to some music. Guys, we have a very good news for now. This is breaking news. 1 hour before for we have Canadian news today. So Canada just cut rate, that is interest rate, by 25 bps to 2.25%. Okay, that this is also a very good news. So Fed will be the next. This FOMC. I hope from now we have around 3 to 4 hours left. So this is good for this will be very good news for market like crypto, stocks, gold. For short time it can do some manipulation, but for long term it will be very bullish. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ USD ꯀꯦꯠꯇꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ. So let's see how it works. ꯀꯨꯝꯃꯛꯑꯣꯅꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯝꯃꯛꯑꯣꯅꯦ. ꯕꯥꯏ ꯃꯦꯠꯇꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅꯦ. ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉꯦ. ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯗꯔꯒꯤ GT3 RS ꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯊꯧꯒꯅꯤ I swear yes yes ꯊꯧꯒꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯒꯦ Damn. EU is going upside. I'm still holding. I'm still holding. Bro, gold ka review like sigi view se laiye. India daro bro lesson doise. Adudi high de, but most probably I will buying in Dubai and I will shift to India. That's my plan for 6 months to 1 year. Hmm. 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 Kaigino harakanda ko GT3 RS se Dubai da laibaga India da laibaga maman tangkhai me hena khetnaiba. More than 40-50% difference of price when I'm buying GT3 RS in Dubai and buying in India. That is the first point. And second point is that uh, mm, I don't want to like drive GT3 RS forever. God, that will be my first hypercar or supercar, but I don't want to be uh, driving GT3 RS for the rest of my life. So if I'm buying in Dubai, I will shift to India for 6 months to 1 year. Then I will drive in India as well for some time, and then I will bring back to Dubai again, and I will keep that car for as a collection, and then I will buy another one again. So that's my plan. My That's what I'm thinking right now. But let's see how uh, it changes. Like when I'm already there, about to be there, as soon as possible. I'm trying very hard each and every day. I know I can do it, and uh, it's possible. Bro, DXO affair will give for our filter. Uh, this kind of price action, bro, you literally you have to be very careful in this kind of price action. See this Euro USD, GBP USD. Everything is divergence right now. Right now, currently, the clean price action I'm looking is only in gold. Gold have a very sweet clean price action. This race, NAS and red, Euro USD, GBP USD, everything is messed up right now. And ma'am, please give some feedback about the live chat. You can see the chat. You can see some new visuals down here, some overlays. How was it? Is it look good or any feedback? And guys, you can share this live, and we have our upcoming 3 day challenge masterclass from November 7 to 9. I will be there. I'm traveling to Manipur. I'm coming to Manipur for that session. We are meeting live 2 days online and 1 day offline. Anybody interested? The link is in the description. Totally free of cost. So you can join there. You can register yourself. Bro, how do you feel when you got your first payout? When I got my first payout, I was very excited, and same time I got little bit emotional because uh, I came a very long way, a very difficult situation I came through. So it was very good that time. So I spent some money on myself, and I buy another challenge from that payout, first payout. 3 hour candle is closing in bullish. This is not good for Euro USD. This is not good. By the way, it can do like this huge manipulation and doing like this also. This is also possible. 3 hour candle closing is not looking good. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ Horen newsta mukthasira. Are you guys waiting for FOMC? If I get any 10 10 members or 10 chats on the chat, those who are waiting for FOMC, then I will go for live today FOMC. Anybody waiting for FOMC till midnight? One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Yes, 하이마가 뚱기도이라 호렌. Yes, yes, and Toromaga. Let's see. For gold, I just want to tap to this big fair value gap, and I just want to see the price reaction. After that only, I will decide I'm buying or selling. Okay. So for now, there is nothing to do in the market. Everything is in consolidation. Everything is slowing down. Market is waiting for that FOMC news. So take a break. Uh, do some workout or do some back tests, or you can read some books, you can watch some podcasts. If you didn't watch the podcast for me interview by Funding Pips, go to the YouTube and you can watch my podcast over there with Funding Pips. So you will be very helpful to watch that podcast. So I will show you here. Let's say just type funding pips. Just type funding pips and go to their YouTube channel. And in this live session, I will be somewhere here. Let me see. Where is me, bro? File. Okay, here. This one. This one is interview by Funding Pips. You can watch this interview with Funding Pips team. So you will learn a lot. Matamahan gano. Aduga or after you watch this, you can watch Tradin TV, TRADIN Tradin TV. Search and you can watch live. I'm doing live as well over here. So my recent live is this is me. I'm here. Okay, I'm here with all another successful trader from all over the world. And you can see my over here also. Okay, watch this kind of live. We will discuss a lot. So that's all. And I will be live after 3 to 4, after 2.5 hours from now. And we will be live at FOMC today. It will be very, very important news for all of us as a trader, as an investor. So trading the I'm doing a trade or not trading, it doesn't matter. I will share you a very, very valuable knowledge about FOMC. Okay. So see you there after 2.5 hours. Please be ready. And thank you so much. See you after 2.5 hours. Let's go.